Alright, so we are done now building our retail shop. So the next topic, so let's go and visit again. Site, so this is the entrance, the building, this is the one, okay, and then the story, there you go, there you go, it's complete, all the rooms are there. Selling area, let's check, looking good, looking good, looking good. And the fitting room, yes, okay, there you go, fitting room, and of course stock room. Okay, nothing's there. So now this next topic is all about what? How to create and import objects. So building this retail shop is really time consuming. Then creating and importing object is also time consuming. So please bear with me because we need to learn and study all these furnitures of this, not all detailed really, but we need to make sure that we can insert fittings or luminaires like this one. See, this is LED strip that we can insert. See this one, LED strip. All these fittings inside these luminaires because some of the furnitures has built-in LEDs inside or built-in lamp inside. So we need to make sure that it's included in our design. That's already too detailed because some clients prefer to see only the main luminaire, which are the spotlights and cove lights. But I will also teach you how to do it using working with the furnitures with luminaires or lamps inside. So let's go and proceed creating our own object and maybe importing objects from other website. Okay, so let's go and decide which one first. So most of the objects will go to this tab. This is furniture and objects. So you will get used to this one later on. First, we need to double check because I forgot to add carpet and something here in the fitting room because in the drawing it says that, where's my floor? Here you go, floor. There's a carpet and there's a carpet also there. So let's just copy that one. So what are we going to do is draw an extrusion volume, and we can just copy it later with the other rooms. And then 0.001 to make it thinner. And then let's copy that texture, sorry, this is selling area of this. Go to materials, pick, and then click, and then go to the fitting room, and then just drag and drop. Then go back to the plan view, and then go to the object, and again select this one, Control C, Control V, go to the elevation, and then put it up, make sure it's up like that, and then right click and scale, 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 oops, there you go, and another one, scale, scale, and then go to the selling area again, go to the materials, pick this carpet, and go to the fitting room and just drag and drop. Now go to the plan view, story tab, go to the object, copy this one, Control C, Control V, there you go, another one, Control V, there you go, and another one, Control V for this one, and just scale it. No, I can't scale it just like that. Scale it. There you go. Okay, and the other one also, scale it. There you go. Now we're done with the carpet. Let's double check. Yes, we now have carpet. Let's save for a while. And now we will start working on this one. This is just a couch and the center table. So we can just use any couch from Dialux Evo. So go to the object, select this one, go to the catalogs, object catalogs, and go to the home furniture and upholstered furniture, and select, let's say, sofa white, this one, and then apply, then minimize, go to the plan view, make sure you're still in the story or in the fitting room, or sorry, in the selling area, either story or selling area, and then place individual object here. This is the long one, so rotate and then scale it, move it first, then scale according to the size required. Also here. Okay. Alright, so there you go. Now we have sofa. And then let's go back to the object again and get the small one. I like this one. And then apply and then minimize. So let's go and place individual because we will scale it. Okay, rotate. Because actually you can do a draw alignment like this one if you want to insert more like this. But we need to insert one first because we will scale it. So move and then rotate, right click and then scale and then like that. Okay, and then up to here. All right, so let's double check in the 3D. It's really cool. Good, good, good. And then let's just copy it. Control C and Control V. Click on the edge, the point, and now you will have your two single sofas. And if you want this table, so let's go and select a table there. So go to the tables and select the small, what's this? 60 by 60 couch. So it's a rectangular, so we will select 60 by 90. Okay, I'm not sure if it's glass. Did it mention it's glass? Okay, let's select let's double check in the drawing if they specify something. Actually, it's not so important. As long as you have your furniture there, it doesn't matter. So yeah, it doesn't matter. So let's go and select this and then apply. And then minimize and then place the object, and there you go. So now you have your center table and scale it. There you go. Double check. Wow, amazing. It's instant. What will be the color of this one? I don't know. So let's just leave it like, yeah, white. So save it for now and let's add again later. Okay, so we're done now importing or using the objects from Dialux Evo itself, because there are lots of default objects inside the Dialux. Yes, there you go. Just check this one. And now let's proceed with the other objects which we need to create. For example, these shelvings, hanging rails and shelvings. So I think we need to use now this section drawings. So we can insert first this one, white and black lacquered wood shelves. So let's go to Dialux Evo and go to the plan view and insert the drawing, which are the elevations, and then open, make sure it's millimeters and show 2D. Alright, now it's there. Let's move the drawing a little farther, more farther. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we will copy this one or create this one. First we will do it this one, 4.5 meters. Okay, I think it's here. Oh, all right. So what are we going to do is just measure it. What is the thickness? DI, and then 50. So 50 centi. So go to the Dialux, go to the story now. We don't need to copy that from the elevation. We're just going to do it here in the plan. And then let's go to the object, select this cube, and place it there. And then scale it accordingly. And then it says that it's 0.05. There you go. And it says that the height is 450. So let's go and move it 0.45. There you go. So now we have our first, where is it? There you go. First shelves. So what is the color of this shelves? White and black lacquered wood. What is the meaning of that? I want to see it in the actual installation. Is there any shelves here? Okay, I think I need to see another flag store and see that shelvings are. Okay, let's just keep it as white for now and let's um, paint it later. So what are we going to do is we need to copy this one. How many? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 450, 450. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So go to the dialogs and then go to the elevation and then copy. Sorry, this is select and then where's the copy? Yeah, see, copy along the line and then put it there and say I need 4 and the distance is 0.45. Ooh, and apply. Oh, okay. Again, Control Z. Let's do it again. So copy along the line. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. So I need 5 and then the distance is 0.45 and then apply. There you go. And then I will just do it like this. Then I will erase that one later, the original one. Then delete this one. Then move. Says group. See, it's grouped now. Okay, there you go. So I now have my nice shelvings. Now this is fine. Okay, so what are we going to do is we're just going to copy it to the other side. Control C and then Control V. There you go. So now we have 2 shelvings on both sides. And the next one is we will try to create um, this black lacquered royal satin finish self-standing rail. All right. On the other section, it will be only look like this. Oh, I forgot. We need to do something about here later. So for now, let's copy and do this one, the handrail. Go to the object and draw extrusion body. Again, extrusion body. And then just do like this. This is the best way to create a hang rod rather than creating it an object by object. Right click and then close. And then I think it's same size. No, it's not. So let's do the other one again. So let's do it. Let's continue to do it. I did not check. If it's the same size, then I wasted my time here. So I can just copy it. Okay, and then the other one. I'm sure this is not the same size because it's obviously longer. So, okay. Okay. Oops. Undo. Just click the undo if you made a mistake. It's good that you can do this. Okay, you can edit it later. And then here. And then there. Again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And right click and then close. So let's edit this one. Right click, edit polygon, and adjust it accordingly. So now you have your beautiful, what is this? Hang rod. And then right click and move it here. Alright, so go to the section elevation view and then we need to rotate it. Yeah, we need to rotate it. So rotate and we will change the thickness of this one later. And then move 0.03. This is correct. So rotate and make it up, up, up. And there you go. Ooh, it's a wrong rotation. Control Z. Go to here, make it 0.03, and then rotate. And there you go. So let's move it. Move, move, move. And do like this. Okay, it looks like I need a space. So yeah, it's not totally end to end. Let's do double check. Yeah, so there's a space between the wall and the hang rod. Good, it's correct. And then move. And then if you want to see the alignment, go to the section. And of course, move it up. It should be touching this ceiling. This one also touching the ceiling. And this one also touching the ceiling. Oops. There you go. And then go to the plan. I mean this one. And then let's measure how far it is from the wall. What do you think? So DI, it says 2.84. So 284. So go to the plan view and create a reference line here. And then say 0.284. Is it? And then 1. And then make it negative so it will go to the other side. There you go. So let's do it like this. There you go. Oh, interesting. Okay, this is the one. Oops, precise. Very good. And then go to the section and follow this one. So they are all aligned. So let's double check. Perfect. And then it says that the color of this one is RAL 11. So we're just going to copy the ceiling because it's 9011 also. So go to the material, pick this one, and drag and drop. Drag and drop. Another one, drag and drop. Now I have this beautiful hang rod. But it says in the elevation that there is something in here as a pedestal. So let's measure it. What is this? It's 50 centi. Let's go in the plan view and do that one. I think this is the one. So go to the object and select this one and select this one. Okay. Alright, I think I need to rest because it's taking so long now. And there you go. There you go. And 0.0, oh sorry, 0.05. And then I think there's a color of this one. This is 0.05, and based on this one, it says it's another Serrara marble because it has the same texture. Or is it the Marquina? Ah, so confusing. Okay, I think let's go to the there's no pedestal here. Yeah, here. Okay. So it's white marble with black. White marble with black. This is white marble with black. Alright, I get it. White marble with black. Okay, so it's a combination of both. So let's go pick material and check this one and then apply it here. And then on the side, let's pick this one and apply it here. Perfection. So let's go and copy this one to the other side. So just click, Control C, Control V, and then drag in the corner like that, and then scale it like, like that. Why there's an excess? Oh, I did not move it yet. Okay, and then this one, Control C, Control V, again on the other side. Oops. And again this one, I need to move. There you go. So let's check. Aha. It's so lovely. So it's almost done. We were just going to copy on the other side because it's so typical, except this one is a little smaller. So yeah. So for example, this one, Control C and Control V. And maybe we can also copy. Ah, yeah, I should have copied this one also. Yes, Control C and Control V. And okay, I will place it properly later. Or I can just use this one. Same. So I have already my reference line. Very good. I did not erase it. So let's move and move it like this. Perfect. And then the other side, I think it's typical. I hope so. Control C and Control V. No, it's not. So I need to create a separate. What about here? No, it's longer. Okay, I need to create a separate hang right here. So let's move it and scale it. Okay, all right. And copy, Control C, Control V to the other side. There you go. It's, yeah. So while this one is different size, we will create it differently. So it's here. So I copy this one, but this one is a little not same. So we will do it here. And let's do it now. If it's the same size, then perfect. It's easy for us. And then set it's 0.03. Yes. Control C, Control V. Is this the same? Ah, very good. So let's move it now to our room. So let's make it stand and rotate. And let's see where it is. So it's wrong rotation. Let's go back, maybe this one. And let's rotate it up. And let's double check. Yes, correct. Go to the elevation and move it up. And make sure it's touching the ceiling. And it's in the proper location here. And in the elevation view there. Yes, as a guide because we established this one already. And then, so you need to double check both. Oh, why then it's sold? Wait. Why in this one it fits? Is it for here? No. I think again. Oh no. Look at this. It's too much. It's too long. But maybe it's okay here. It's also not okay. This elevation is really making me crazy. Okay, so let's make this is crazy. Can we scale it? Okay, let's do scale it. I don't know the effect of this one. Okay, nobody will notice this one, so Control C, Control V, and then let's copy it there. Okay, so I just scale it, and if you notice there, no, you did not. Okay, let's copy this the RAL color, and then let's insert it there. Okay, so we're done with this hang rod. Let's save for a while and let's move to another furniture, which is this shelves here or the hang rod here. The hanging rails 1.5 meters height. Okay, so this is typical. Very good. It's easy if it's typical. Right, very good. Easy. So let's do the hanging rail. Okay, let's insert now the detail drawing for the hang rod. So let's go for detail. This one. Okay, let's move the drawing somewhere first. Yes. So where is my hang rod? Oh my god, it's too far from the move down. Okay, I will turn off the elevation first so I can work on this detailed a little closer to my room. So this is the hanging rails, and this is 1.45. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, we will create this one, and then we will just, yes, connect each other. Hanging rails, and then the mannequins, coffee table. Oh, perfect. So let's start with the hanging rails, and let's build this furniture. So if you have the same project later, you can save this in object and make it as favorite, so you can use it with other file. And yeah, so let's save for a while.